Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a truly clever little gadget that many Shokz headphone users might find incredibly useful. The URANT2 Pack Shokz Charger Adapter. For anyone who owns Shokz AeroPex, OpenRun Pro, OpenRun Mini, or even the OpenCom and OpenSwim Pro, you know the unique charging cable situation. Well, this adapter aims to simplify all that by bringing the universal convenience of USB-C to your favorite bone conduction headphones. Imagine being able to charge your Shokz headphones with the same USB-C cable you use for your phone, tablet, or laptop. That's exactly what this Type-C charging adapter allows. No more hunting for that specific Shokz cable. Now, any standard USB-C to USB-C or USB-A to USB-C cable connected to a wall charger, power bank, or even a car charger can power up your headphones. This is a game changer for travel and everyday convenience, eliminating the need to carry yet another proprietary cable. The design of these adapters is particularly impressive. They feature gold-plated pins and built-in magnets, which ensure a stable and secure connection every time. The adapter simply snaps into place, aligning perfectly with the charging port on your Shokz headphones. This magnetic design means you get continuous and reliable charging without worrying about accidental disconnections. It's a plug-and-play solution, meaning no drivers or software are needed, just connect and charge. What's even better is that this comes as a two-pack, offering versatility with one side corner adapter and one middle corner adapter. This thoughtful inclusion means you have options depending on how you prefer to position your headphones while charging, or simply have a spare for different locations. Plus, they even include two small keychains, making them incredibly easy to keep track of and carry around. Speaking of portability, these adapters are ultra-thin and boast an ultra-compact design. Encased in a durable aluminum shell, they are built to withstand daily use and can easily slip into a purse, pocket, or attach to your keys without adding any bulk. The days of needing to pack that extra, dedicated Shokz charging cable are truly over. Compatibility is another strong suit. As mentioned, these adapters work seamlessly with a wide range of Shokz headphones, including the AeroPex, OpenRun Pro, OpenRun Mini, OpenCom, and OpenSwim Pro. Essentially any Shokz model that shares that distinctive magnetic charging port. This broad compatibility makes them a fantastic accessory for almost any Shokz user looking to streamline their charging setup. This URANT adapter truly offers a simple yet effective solution to a common user pain point, making headphone charging more convenient and universal.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.